The Elephant Rock Mountain. Have you ever wanted to visit the Elephant Rock Mountain in Dak Lak, Vietnam? Have you ever wondered about the legends of this mountain? Hi, my name is Monica, and today I'm gonna tell you about why you should come and explore the spectacular Elephant Rock Mountain. The rock named Voi Me, Mother Elephant, located in the commune of Yang Tao, Lak District, Dak Lak Province. Many people believe this is the largest monolith ever known in Vietnam. Voi Me is over 30 meters high, covering an area of thousands of square meters, then it can weigh thousands of tons. From the ground, it only takes about 50 minutes to reach the highest point of the rock by climbing over a gentle slope. Everything is so beautiful when you come there. Blue sky, white cloud, fresh air, green plants, golden rice field, and some young leaves will below you. The best time you can visit is the sunny season, from November to April. Are you interested in the legends of Voi Me? One tells there was a man used the iron stick to exploit it, but when he made a hole, the hole began to spill a lot of blood. He was very scared about that, and he never came there again. Some of people tell, once upon a time, there was a rich man who had two daughters, very beautiful, named Hoa and Tao. One day, in the afternoon, with cool wind, they played on the Elephant Rock Mountain. But they played right at the time it to be sold, and the sister Hoa stuck in it. Everyone helped her out. They used elephant, buffalo, but there was no hope. After 7 days, the Elephant Rock would eat her. That night, her dad had a dream about Hoa, and she said, "She is fine and have a happy life with the god of elephants, so he don't worry about her." Behind the mysterious legend, everyone considered this legend as the god of love. Stones are the soul of Mân people. They believe that the stones are sent from the god who protects the life of the village. Some of couples are sitting on Elephant Rock, pray for their love, and hope the Elephant Rock will protect them. But if someone's still alone, just go to this place and say all about your desire in love, and maybe you will meet the person of your dream. So this is the must-see place in Dak Lak. You should go there at least once in your life to see how amazing it is. I'm Monica, and see you on next time on exploring another place in Dak Lak. Goodbye.